Alright, so we are back for another unboxing, and today we have a massage gun for you guys. So actually, yes, in the pandemic, you cannot go to the spa, and for me, having a massage gun or maybe massage peripherals at home definitely helps out in that regard. So yeah, for your massage fix, you can do it anytime that you like. So this is actually more pricey in terms of the massage gun world, because I do have a massage gun that's only around $20. So definitely in the cheaper part of things. This is around $100. So we're gonna try to unbox it, try to use it, and also kind of compare it to the previous massage gun that we have. So this is from Recoverfun. Of course, I'm gonna link them down below if you want one. Actually, they do have a really nice looking box. It says Recoverfun. So let's try to unbox it, and this is gonna be your unboxing experience. So looking at the box itself, you're getting your accessories. So you do have this kind of two-pronged thing. So actually from the get-go, this feels more upscale compared to the one that I have. That's just $20. The one that I have is more plasticky. This feels a little bit heavier, and this one is your kind of additional accessories as well. So this one feels similar to what I have before, but again, it kind of feels a little bit heavier and more heavy duty compared to what I have before. So I guess that might be the trend going towards this unboxing. So the previous one might perform similar, but you do have better build quality in these. So additional accessories, guys. So actually, like for me, this is the one that I prefer because it's a pointed kind of thing. So it's the strongest in terms of the massage power. So yeah, in terms of the weight, again, it's a little bit heavier compared to my previous. So let's try to organize it a bit. And next would be this one. So actually, I don't have these in my personal one. So it's nice, and actually it's kind of a rubber kind of thing at the top. So for those more sensitive to strong massages, you might like these. So putting this aside, so actually you do have a sizable number of accessories, more so compared to the one that I bought before. So here you also have this kind of accessory, more ridged kind of accessory. All right, so actually, yeah, so far in terms of the accessories, pretty promising, I'd say. Definitely better compared to what I got before. You do have your adapter as well. And actually, unfortunately, my previous massage gun is not working anymore because the adapter is bogged down. So that's kind of the weakness for me with that massage gun. Will I recommend it? Not anymore, because yeah, the adapter just bogged down on me. So yeah, that's what you get for I'm getting cheap stuff. So this is actually good quality again, and this is a little bit stiffer compared to the one previously that I checked out before. So this has better more hold at the inside. This is definitely stiffer. So yeah, you have some choices for your accessories, and definitely compared to the one that I had before, this has more accessories. So definitely quite promising. So you have also some manuals at the top. And yeah, actually in terms of the box, definitely it feels better as well. There's some branding at the inside as well. All right, so you're getting also some additional kind of washer kind of thing, so for the future. All right, so let's take a look at the massage gun itself. And wow, this is heavy. This is definitely heavier compared to what I had before. Alright, so I'm kind of feeling, why this is more expensive now. So actually, I was worried that this will be, just kind of similar to what I had with the $20 one, because sometimes that kind of happens. Like they kind of rebrand, cheap stuff, and they just put their brand in and call it their own, and charge higher. But this one kind of feels good. It has definitely that weight to it. In terms of the weight, I think this is maybe 3 times to 4 times the overall weight compared to what I had before. So this definitely feels like a professional tool. This kind of reminds me actually of my drill, my Bosch drill, in terms of the overall build quality. So it's made of plastic, and you have the Recoverfun as well at the side. But definitely this is good quality plastic. It's quite heavy as well. And here the grip, it's kind of textured as well, so this won't slip on you. And here you have your on and off button, and you have a charger as well. And here at the inside, you do get another on and off button. So I'm not sure, which one this is. So it says Recoverfun Plus. And in terms of the shape, it's definitely, quite big. It's not the smallest, but I would say it does feel really good in the hand. So yeah, it feels right there in the overall price range. It doesn't feel cheap at all, which is definitely a good sign. So let's try to put maybe these here inside. And usually, yes, you just pop it in, and then after that, you can start your massage. So let's try to turn it on. So let's start here at the back, and definitely the buttons as well, feels tactile. So definitely more tactile compared to what I had before. So maybe you need to turn on the bottom first before turning on. All right, there you go. So you do have some batteries. It's working fine. So you need to turn on the under part first before you turn this on at the top. So let's try it out. All right. Ooh, okay. So definitely compared to what I had before, the motion here is definitely better compared to what I had before. The motion is quite farther, and the strength is definitely stronger in these. Maybe 2 times, 3 times the strength of what I had before. So as you guys can see, that is the motion. It's definitely quite deeper compared to your cheaper counterparts, and the strength is definitely there. I can definitely feel that this will be stronger compared to your usual. So I think even for those people who like a deep massage, strong massages, this might work because the motion here is just deep. So let's try to go for a stronger one. There you go. All right, so definitely, yeah, that is definitely stronger compared to what I had before. So here I'm trying it with my hand, and the vibration is just definitely stronger than what I had before. Definitely works. And yeah, this is a different feel in the hand compared to what I had before. So definitely I think you can even use this professionally. So it's that strong in terms of the massage motion. So I'm just in number 2. Let's try to increase it even more. Alright, so here you have a more fine kind of massage, and again, it's definitely strong as well. So I am pretty happy so far with the overall experience. And I think for professionals, if you have your maybe a barber shop or a parlor, this can be a nice addition to your service, because yeah, it's pretty. There we go. This is really strong. I think for the max strength, you need maybe 2 hands in these, or maybe you have a strong grip. All right, so cool. Okay, let's try another one. So that's why maybe they need a kind of a attachment, because this is a really strong massage. So even for sports massage, this can be better. And I think the motor here is stronger compared to my other massage stuff, and the advantage of these is you can target specific locations. So for these you can do some maybe a reflexology, because yeah, it's that accurate in terms of the choosing the correct location. So yeah, pretty cool. Alright, so I think I don't need to go to the rest of the things, because yeah, right now I'm pretty happy with the overall product. Alright, so let's try to close this thing. So Recoverfun. So yeah, for me, this is the best massage gun that I have tested. It's definitely a good quality. It has really weighty kind of construction. The strength of the massage is strong, so even for those people who prefer kind of stronger massages, this can work. For sports massage even, this can work, because yeah, it's really heavy duty. You have a lot of accessories, of good quality as well. So yeah, I'm really happy about these. I think I would recommend them. For the price, if you have that money to spend, I think it's worth the money. So definitely you can go cheaper, maybe the $20 one like what I did. But it already bogged down on me, so that's the main problem with cheaper things. But definitely for these, it definitely feels good. So you can maybe even use this for professional work. But yes, the longevity is left to be desired. But given what I'm feeling now, I'm pretty happy with the overall quality. I think this will be a really nice purchase, especially in the pandemic that you cannot go to the spa. That's my unboxing of the Recoverfun. I did have fun with these. So if you want to get one, use my links down in the description below. And of course, subscribe for more interesting content here. I'm gonna expand the content that we have here in this channel. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. We're gonna unbox really interesting stuff. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And see you guys in the next Zipot unboxing. Goodbye.